Today, I'm going to explain about logistic process. Extent of the logistics becoming bigger and bigger nowadays. According to the daily economy in Korea, communicative infrastructure facilities and information intelligence network all included in logistics. Therefore, logistics means that transportation, storage, load and unload, packing, manufacture, distribution, and intelligence function on overall. Basically, process of order to receive is all included in logistics. There are four kinds of logistic process. These days, 3PL and 4PL is usually used in international trade. To explain, 1PL is handling all processes in one department. It has to bear a lot of tasks and responsibility. These days, only few companies are doing it since it is inappropriate for the international trade. 2PL is possible to only large company who has enough money to establish transportation company. Since they has ability, they decided to establish a company they need rather than employing other company. 3PL is employing other specialized company to reduce transportation cost and for their convenience. 4PL is the newest process, and currently it is very famous. It gives additional services such as consulting or IT technology. Many of the 3PL company is trying to enter in this field. Among many logistic processes, we decided to explain and more focus on 3PL in a detail. Since 3PL consists many parts of the logistics, this is a flow of the logistics as I explained in the previous slide. 3PL is employing external company. In this picture, it's external company's work starting from order process until the end of the transportation. There are two kinds of customer. One is individual customer and another is enterprise. Individual customer usually place an order through the internet. But if it is a company, they need more complex process such as contract and need to agree for some parts. Explorer need to find a trustworthy company and put an order so seller can concentrate on producing their own production. Through this system, seller can make more qualified production since it contributes to reduction of the cost and saving time. It directly connected and influenced to satisfaction of the customer. Order processing is a process or workflow from order placement to delivery. This is a key element of order fulfillment where reliability and accuracy lead to customer satisfaction. There is a system called order process pipeline. This system mechanism manages production information, store information, users information, order initialization, checking order, adjusting price, and payment approval. Inventory management uses a variety of data. These data including lot numbers and serial numbers, cost of goods, quantity of goods, and the dates when they move through the process. The point of this process is preparation to deliver into the receiving area of a warehouse.
Then after inventory management, next step is warehousing. In this process, the logistic company stores the products in the warehouse since the warehouse is furnished with equipment and supplies which are essential to storage. By doing so, it can help reducing damaged goods. Also, the products are separated by section. The section can be divided in order of alphabet or type of the products. For example, the company classified by type. One storage will be full of fruits and other will be full of something else, such as book, clothes, and like that. Next, traffic management. This type is regarded as the most important the company must decide which transportation will they use to physically move the goods. The firms consider how can be delivered in the safest and fastest way, and how to minimize the delivery fee by satisfying customers' demand. Seventh step is transportation. If they decide which method to do, the company delivers the products. There are five main transportation modes: truck, rail, water, pipeline, and air. Those five models all have advantage and disadvantage. For example, railroads can be the most cost-effective since they can ship large number of bulk products, but the problem is that it is too slow. Also, air is the safest way because of its speed, so company which deals with fresh products such as flour, food, using this way. But it is quite expensive. Usually the global logistic company uses airline if the customer requires the fastest delivery. Reversely, they use rail or water if there is no special requirement for shipping. Then at last, the products delivered to the customers. Nowadays, the customer can track the items by billing number, so the customer could realize where their product is and which transportation was used for delivery. In addition, they provide post-management. For example, the firms send text message by saying that if the customer want refund or exchange into other products, they will give discount if they use the same logistic company, or if the customer give feedback about the company, such as the kindness of the delivery person, the company will provide the free gifts for them. And this is the end of our presentation, and thank you for listening. And if there are any questions, feel free to ask.